Okay guys, so here are this is part 2 where we get a better view of the animals because last time I was not. Hen, the fighting hen, a seal, and the mama hen. Can you move out the way? Move out the way, you freaking ball. We can and I'm trying to showcase the little fowl. Okay, this is a young rooster. So my grandpa's gonna give away to someone, not a subscriber. Give away to one of his friends. I'll just give up on filming the chick. Alman, can you help? Alman. Okay then, should I make a video on little bro was born in 2024? And they these albino things and these albino guinea fools. I call them fools because they're foolish. Lord. Where? I found the mouse! Chat!
Okay, as I was saying,
Chat!
it was
No, it was not yet. Then we have a light Sussex. Yeah, you know what the 3 words. Last name. We're giving the viewers a tour of the chickens. Okay, then we have a is this a broody hen, guys? Okay, then we have a nigger. See the one there. 2 eggs. There are 2 eggs. The chicken. Yeah. For the bed. Look, and that was my cousin's house. I just gave it up to his mom. This chicken and to my chachu. I like Sussex. You know what it is. Ducks. The mallards. Drake. I just sort of found a beautiful. That is a certified bully cross. You see the Muscovy ducks? Those are the I have them in their nigger form. There's sometimes white form, chocolate form, lavender. And normal and regular guinea fowls. This is what a regular guinea fowl looks like if you're lost. Yeah, the mouse is dead. Remember that mouse from earlier, guys? He's dead for sure.
And we are gonna sell this one. This one is just a bought one.
Now we're gonna sell it to my grandpa's friend.
Yeah.
Then
And you can see the roosters.
you can see the adorable. Who's a good boy you are? I'm filming a YouTube video.
Oh, but
I'm showcasing the viewers to the animals.
think the male's feather has been lost. Look, there's no feathers like on his back.
What? Yeah, he's here. Yeah, I think he's right. You know, early in the morning, I was able to hold them.
Can you join the clips? Can you join the clips?
Yeah, you can join clips.
Okay, so can you do that?
No, can you?
No, I don't know how to.
I can tell you, it's easy.
What happened, Rahim?
मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ. Oh, the slim smart black hen. Oh, the nigger. Oh, the only nigger hen we have. We're giving that away as well as the rooster. My grandpa's friend. Pakistan days. Now he's like smelling little.
What else? This is water. The pet hen. Do we have a pet hen?
Oh, what does a pet hen mean? Okay, bye guys.
Like we had a white pet hen. Like the baby guinea pig.
Can you come? Come. Yeah, I think he's the size of hair to his mother's tail. You can see from the ground all the way to his mother's tail.
Because the neck is
Okay, thanks. Emma, do you want the stick?
we are playing here or making videos.
We're making videos here.
And as you can see,
Guys,
the male skinny fowl has lost some feathers, so you can see.
no, that's a chicken.
The male fighting fowl has lost some feathers, so you can see some of the bones. And he's been in many fights, so that's one.
He hasn't been in so much fights. I think
Yeah.
he's only been like 2
And
or
this
3.
is the close-up new fowl. Okay. And
I think their shields might bite the camera.
Okay, so now that guinea fowl, we are gonna sell
Alman!
that one.
Alman!
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna keep this clip here until he beats.
Like the male guinea fowl.
नहीं पकड़ सकते हैं और बाय और if you want to catch ये stick ये open करना है और stick में रखना है. Okay. Okay guys, I want to catch a moment with a beating.